Hello, this is an economic weather report brought to you in association with the Bank of New Zealand. Today we're going to look at Statistics New Zealand's Labour Cost Index, which came out for the March quarter. This shows that salaries and wages rose just 1.5% in the year to March, the lowest annual increase since the year to September 2009. So that means that wage and salary earners received their smallest pay rise in more than 9 years. The figures show, however, that the public sector wage growth continues to outpace the private sector. Statistics New Zealand said salary and wage rates, including overtime, rose 2.3% for the public sector and just 1.3% for the private sector in the year to March. This means the average weekly wage as of March was $818.08. However, the average public sector wage was quite a bit higher at $1,072.88. Also out today was the quarterly employment survey. Now, this showed a slowdown in annual average earnings growth continuing. Average total hourly earnings rose 2.1% for the year to March, down from a 3.7% increase in the year to December last year. So what does all this mean for Alan Bollard and his friends at the Reserve Bank? Well, wage inflation was slightly weaker than economists had expected and just below the forecasts in the Reserve Bank's March monetary policy statement. So on its own, today's data is unlikely to sway the Reserve Bank's decision on when it starts to increase interest rates, remembering here that the central bank said last week it would hike the official cash rate from 2.5% sometime over coming months. The economic focus now switches to Thursday's household labour force survey. This is expected to show the March quarter unemployment rate has fallen a bit from the 7.3% rate as of the end of December. This is Gareth Vaughan with an economic weather report brought to you in association with the BNZ.